Do you cats want your reveal on the porch or in the living room? I think they could have reveal while the cleaners are here. Meow some more, cats. Oh, well, Richie was just meowing. Well, they're switching bowls today, but I don't care enough to fix that. They're both getting some chicken reveal. And so yeah, the cleaners are here. It's just one of them today, so it'll probably take her a while. After the cleaners, I'll go to the pool and watch basketball. I did a lot of research yesterday about getting an IT certificate, so I don't have to do too much research today. Can just kind of focus on the pool, the basketball, and the cats. We'll walk a little later tonight after the basketball game around 7:30 or 8.